You want me to take my pants off?
I'm asking you.
Do you want me to?
Do you want to go full blown or do you want to like just go change?
Fuck it. Yes.
All right.
It gotta be a better way to get
See that right there?
dirty money, clean my
What is up, you guys? It's your boy Tyson and Lanes.
told baby she my front runner. Ain't no runner up. Young nigga tryna bubble up, just like my double cup. My brother trust me to call the right play. I told him huddle up. Baby see how I be getting down. I told her set hut.
We're back at it again, another one, man. Today we are here with Natural Light Photography. We're here with this lovely Jules. You're in the vibes, man. I'm stumbling a little bit because it's cold outside. I'm a little bit brittle. So it's kind of hard to talk a little bit. We got my Sony a7S III with my Sigma Art 24-70 lens, man. I'm out here going crazy. About to have a little bit of fun with it. Some natural light photography, just showing you what you can do in camera. I'm gonna try to talk a lot more for you guys, tell you exactly what we're gonna be using as far as like my settings and everything like that, of that nature. See what we got going on. Settings, yeah. Have a little bit of fun, man. I'm gonna show you guys what it is, bro.
It's cold.
Nah, it's mad brick.
It's actually cold.
It's mad brick outside, but yeah, we're gonna be using this little scenery right here, man. We're gonna have a little bit of fun with it. We see where the sun's diffused across the sky because there's a lot of clouds outside. So it's gonna give us a very nice, even lighting, and I think that's what I like. So we're gonna go ahead and make that work to our advantage right now. So go ahead and stand right about there for me. Yeah, let's see. I kind of like that. Yeah, we're gonna use this. So this wall right now is our canvas. You know what I mean? This wall right now is our background. This wall right now is our backdrop.
Told him bring it in. If I kill a bro, don't worry, he gon' spin a bin. Told him put his dollars in the bank before he spin again. Had to raise the fucking stakes cause I'm a made man. Already made 10, already made 20. If I say the real number, they might just come and book me. They got my pops and got my brothers, so can't let them cook me. When they need a problem solved, I be where they look me. For real.
This wall right now is our backdrop, so we're using it to our advantage. We're doing what we can with it, and yeah, we're gonna make it work for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have her stationed right there. I'm gonna station myself right here. I'm gonna angle. I have my grid lines on and I have on my peaking display, but you can turn off your peaking display. I just want to see where all those whites are, so I have that on. Turn it off real quick, and I have my gridded lines on, and these grids are gonna help me be able to line up my subject. There we go. We got her just vibing, cooling real quick. Give me some like hand motion. Oh, I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I kind of like how your hands are.
Estimate my closing powers.
I didn't say anything, bro. I'm just saying, like, you know, I'm just trying to, you know, help a little bit. That's it. Things happen, you know what I'm saying? They got me.
No, hold on.
Hold it. Hold it. This shit make me miss like the grind. This shit make me miss the grind so much. This is before I even had a stew. I think this is my like outlet, like actually getting out and shooting.
Oh, that's cute.
Right? The rays, I lined you up with the rays and shit.
Oh.
See that right there? So I'm literally gonna just do like the helping you pose want some helping you pose shit, and then I'm gonna take a picture of you, and it's gonna like automatically go to my phone and shit. Oh, I'm gonna screen record it too for y'all boys to see. Is it screen recording? Yeah, that's lit. All right, bet. So it's literally gonna be like, try this pose at your next photo shoot. It's gonna be like this, and I want like this, or I want like this, like that, okay? So like, come on. Right there. So put your knee back first. There you go. Put your arms out. There you go. And then lean forward. Make it like that. Hold it.
It's gonna be tough to keep it.
There you go. You're good. Hold it. Hold it. Bet. That should be good. But not literally, like you can see what's in my camera right now.
That is so cool. That's cool as fuck. What the fuck? That shit is dope.
So literally, like while I'm shooting, I could screen record it, like while I'm shooting. So now they can see the settings and everything. You want to go like full blown or no?
You want me to take my pants off?
I'm asking you.
Do you want me to?
Do you want to go full blown or do you want to like just go change?
Fuck it. Be outside.
All right.
We are outside. Be outside.
You better get dumb views. Not views, but like all types of views. Yeah, of course. All right, ready? Bro, things of that nature, you know?
It's cold, it's cold, it's cold.
Yeah, fine. All right, so this time, what I kind of want is I kind of want like this. I kind of I kind of want like a this, like yeah, sass with it, and I want like you to like pop it.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? All right, hold on.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need